In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to reset an RCA Voyager Pro tablet. Now if you're getting errors such as the screen freezing up and it's not working properly, you can reset it. So while the tablet is on the back there is a reset button right here. Now it's a hole, so you're going to need a narrow pointy object. I'm going to be using this SIM removal tool. So just insert it into the reset button hole. Push it in. Now after the reset button is activated, the tablet will shut off. So you can just press and hold the power button to turn it on. So the tablet is going to reboot. And there you go. That is how to reset the tablet. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.